Much lighter on our feet now. Beautiful bushes, really. It's kind of annoying that it's like the set ones that give you... Oh, I think this will give me long sticks, will it? Oh! See, I'm actually shaving myself there. No, I don't want bark. Fuck's sake. This is more like it. It's hard work to do these, but when you haven't got any other option... Oh shit! That made me jump so much. Oh my days, that made me jump so much. And my gun's just like doing some weird... what is it even doing? It's giving me a heart attack. Fuck, that came out of nowhere as well. That literally gave me a heart attack. Oh my days. Oh, I can't wait to get you, mate. You're getting shot between the eyes. Don't care about this guy, mate. He's getting it. It's only one. Prick. Which of mateys? Muss. What a prick. Anyway. Back to what I was doing anyway. Oh, I can't believe that. Made me jump so much. Not cool. If they're going to keep doing that, that's going to get annoying.